Before we begin, please hit subscribe button to receive updates.
Hyperlink Search is considered as browser hijacker and adware combination. You must remove this threat by following these procedures. Go to Google Chrome menu. Select More Tools from the drop-down list. Then, click on Extensions. Select the Hyperlink Search extension and enter it. Click the Remove button. Please confirm and click Remove from the pop-up. Lastly, close Google Chrome windows. Next, download Malwarebytes by clicking on the link below. After downloading Malwarebytes, click Open and install the program. Select Personal from the selection and install with default settings. To start checking the computer, click on Scan button. Scanning may take a while. Please wait for this scan to finish. At the end of the scan, please remove or quarantine all identified threats. Restart Windows if necessary. Next, download ADW Cleaner. Follow the link below. After downloading, please open the file. We will run another scan to thoroughly clean the computer. Click on Scan Now button. Scanning may take a while. Please let it finish scanning the computer. At the end of the scan process, select all detected threats on scan results. Click Next button. Then, click Quarantine. If it prompts for computer restart, click on Restart Now. To remove the browser hijacker from Google Chrome of Mac computer, please go to Menu. Then select More Tools. And then click on Extensions. Find the browser hijacker from the list of extensions and click the Remove button. You may now close Google Chrome browser. After downloading, install Combo Cleaner by dragging the app to Applications folder. Close the current setup window. Go to Menu and then Applications. Open the Combo Cleaner app. You may need to allow Combo Cleaner to access your disk so that it can remove the browser hijacker. Click on the Full Disk Access Preferences. Click on the lock icon to execute any changes. Enter your username and password. Use the one with administrative privilege. Next, click Full Disk Access. Click on plus icon to add Combo Cleaner. It will allow you to select applications. Select Combo Cleaner from the list and then click Open. If it prompts that it needs to quit the application, click Later. Combo Cleaner will start updating the database. This may take a while. After installing the downloaded updates, you may now scan the computer. Click on the Start Combo Scan button. Please note, you need to purchase full version of Combo Cleaner if you require to maximize its premium features. If you are running Combo Cleaner in premium version, you can proceed with the removal of the detected threats. Please restart the Mac computer after the cleanup. For complete guide including scan options and manual removal procedures for browser hijacker, please click the provided link to go to our website.